My dude snores. Does he snore? Yeah. He's like, I don't know, I'm sleeping. I hate you. I hate people that snore. I just can't. And they're so innocent because you have to like wake them up and they're like, what's the matter? I'm like, I'm not sleeping. That's why we get like this. Here's the thing, is like people that snore, you just have to lay on your backs for some reason, which is you just want to share the most annoying quality for 9 hours. All we want you to do, this would make the situation, but just turn over. Please turn your body away from us. That's it. Just all night long I'm trying to like wake him up, and I'm still doing it nice because we're newlyweds and I'm still lying, you know, so I'll just be like, babe, I can't sleep. All stupid. The problem is that people that snore, you guys can fall asleep faster than anyone anywhere. All right, he'll just be like, oh, sorry. I'm like, how are you already sleeping? Like, we just made eye contact. Can't stand it. He does this new thing now too, where I'll try to like wake him up, like, babe, whatever, my whole thing. And then he'll do this thing where every once in a while he'll be like, what's up? What's up? Like I just have like, well, I don't want, just was wondering your thoughts on global warming. Like your snoring is what's up. It's what's always up. Then when I finally get his body over, which is my goal the whole night, when I finally get it over, I have to then shove my body against his body so that he can never move again. So I just feel like Holdor from Game of Thrones, just I'm like, hold that door, like the whole night. I wish I was single again. I just wish I lived alone. I wish we could do that, where like, I think marriages would be better. I think I'd last. Have you guys been together for a while? How long? 24 years. That's good, guys. Clap it up. Yeah. I never hear that here. LA is like a solid 2 days, right? I miss showering alone. Those are the good days. You just like get in the shower alone. Because when a guy just hears the water turn on, he thinks it's like an invitation to get in. It's not. For you dudes. Like a guy could just hear the water turn on and he's like, oh, I guess I gotta go shower. I'm like, no, like ladies, like, because we have things that we have to do, right? And then we don't do that. When they get in, like we start to act. And some weird, like Sports Illustrated waterfall photo shoot. Like, it's like a lot of lathering for no reason. And guys always fall for it too. They're like, oh my god, babe, you look so hot. And we're like, stop it. I'm just showering. This is how I shower. Then you guys get out, we're just like... fuck is that? Just one hair, you guys. Told you I was Middle Eastern, that's a thing. All the guys are like, what the fuck? Our therapist, she tells us, my favorite part in therapy when we go is when she's diagnosing him. Like, this is my favorite part ever, because she'll be like letting him have it in front of me. But on the outside, I have to act dumb, you know? I have to be like, oh, I never knew that. But on the inside, you guys, I feel like I'm her hype man. And I'm like, yeah, yeah.